Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto. First, let's get you started with the basics. You'll use the left stick to move your character and the right stick to control the camera, giving you a full view of the action. Driving is simple. The right trigger accelerates and the left trigger brakes. Your in-game phone is a crucial tool for missions and contacts. Take a moment to explore the map. It's your guide to everything the city offers, from objectives to hidden gems. Now, let's dive into missions, the heart of Grand Theft Auto. Look for the colored icons on your map and follow the GPS to begin. Missions vary widely, from high-speed chases to intense shootouts and even stealth operations. Remember to use cover during gunfights. It's essential for survival. Successfully completing these objectives will reward you with cash and advance the compelling storyline, opening up new opportunities and challenges. Beyond the main story, Grand Theft Auto offers an expansive open world waiting to be explored. Take a break from missions to discover countless side activities, like thrilling street races or a relaxing round of golf. You can personalize your character's look, upgrade your vehicles, and enhance your arsenal at numerous in-game stores. The city is alive with dynamic events and interesting characters, ensuring there's always something new to experience around every corner. To truly master Grand Theft Auto, here are a few pro tips. Always save your game often, especially after completing tough missions, to secure your progress. Don't hesitate to try out various weapons and vehicles. Finding what suits you best will enhance your experience. If you attract too much attention from the law, focus on evading them or finding a safe spot to reduce your wanted level. Most importantly, have fun and embrace the incredible freedom the game offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.